So in this video, we're going to determine if our function is a polynomial or not a polynomial. So what is a polynomial? A polynomial is made up of terms that look like a variable raised to some power, where this power n, or this number n, is a whole number. Okay, so let's look at the first one. So is x a polynomial? So is it some sort of combination of terms that look like x raised to a number? Yes. So yes, x is a polynomial. It's a very simple one. It's a monomial, but still a polynomial. So B, do we have a polynomial? We have x squared plus 1 over x. Well, we can try and simplify it and see. So if we simplify it, well, let's have a look. The first term looks like a variable raised to a power. So that's a monomial. The second term, however, does not. It looks like 1 over a variable. So not quite. So no, not a polynomial. All right, so let's continue. All right, so C. So we have e to the power x plus x. Well, our first term is not of the form variable raised to a number. So no, we do not have a polynomial. Let's have a look at D. We have x cubed plus 4x squared minus 1. So is each term of the form variable raised to a number, whole number? Well, yes. It looks like we are in luck. So remember, when we have a constant, the variable is raised to the power 0. So yes, we have a polynomial. So E, we have sine x plus 4. The variable is x, but sine is not a polynomial, so no. It's a trigonometric function. Oh, well, we have quite a few exercises left. So F. So our function is x to the power 100 plus 1. So are our terms of the form variable raised to a number? Yes. So yes. All right, G. So our function is log x plus x squared minus 1. Well, log x is not a polynomial, so no, the entire function is not a polynomial. And finally, H. We have x plus x squared plus x cubed minus 4x to the power 4 plus x to the 100. Each term is of the form x raised to a number. So yes, we have a polynomial. Good. So if you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call, and thank you for watching.